Alright, so this is the recording of hand grinder. So today we are going to review the hand grinder. What's up everyone, welcome to the Baristas Coffee School. On today's episode what we're gonna do is, we're gonna unbox the hand grinder. I'm gonna make it very short and sweet today because I am excited to open this hand grinder first of all, and it's been a very long period of time. We haven't done any kind of this kind of episode actually, so I think this would be a very good opportunity for us since we have the new hand grinder. So आजको hand grinders को बारेमा कुरा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ Timemore C2 Chestnut hand grinder हो. मैले hand grinder को चाहिँ किन रिभ्यु राख्न खोजेको भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ me myself as well कति चोटी भयो हैन, I've been using different kind of hand grinders as well. So नेपालमा चाहिँ कस्तो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ धेरै खालको different र राम्रो खालको चाहिँ brewing equipments हरु चाहिँ अलिकति कमै मात्रामा पाउने कामहरु गरिन्छ. I've been using hand grinders जुन चाहिँ एकदमै सस्तो प्राइसमा छ, but then एकदमै एक महिना पनि राम्रोसित नचलेको hand grinders पनि युज गरेको छु. I've been using hand grinders जुन चाहिँ at least तपाईको एक्सपेन्सिभ पेमेन्ट गरे तापनि म्याक्सिमम भए 3 देखि 6 महिनासम्म मात्र चलेको छ, and त्यसपछि गएर तपाईको प्रब्लमहरु धेरै मात्रामा आउने कामहरु गरेको छ. बट अहिलेको सिचुएसन्सहरुमा देयर आर लट अफ पीपल उहाँहरुले चाहिँ बाहिरबाट ह्यान्ड ग्राइन्डर्सहरु अथवा अरु ब्रुइङ ग्याजेट्सहरु चाहिँ इम्पोर्ट गर्ने कामहरु गर्नुहुन्छ र अहिले हाम्रो नेपालको मार्केटमा धेरै मात्रामा पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. Now, this hand grinders is from my friend. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I would definitely recommend him. His name is Susan. He's from Pokhara. उहाँले मलाई धेरै इक्विपमेन्ट्सहरु पहिला पनि दिएको छ. Now, one of them is the hand grinders actually, and I love it. I bought few of them actually. So this is one of them. सबै हाम्रो आउटलेटको लागि चाहिँ युज गर्ने कामहरु गरिरहेछ. But I would love to review or unbox this one. I just cannot wait. So अब तपाईहरुको धेरै टाइमहरु नखाइकन let's start and open or unbox. जस्तै जहिले पनि मान्छेले unbox गरे जस्तो हामीले पनि हाम्रो hand grinder को unboxing को काम स्टार्ट गर्यौं. That was not so well actually. Unboxing and let's open it. I like the box actually. So पहिला चाहिँ मैले hand grinders हरु लिँदाखेरि I had one Hero hand grinders जुन चाहिँ that was from China actually. So त्यो hand grinders को box पनि अलिकति fancy लागेको थियो, and I love this box as well. It's pretty nice, it's clean, tidy. अलिकति smooth चाहिँ छैन, but I think this is good enough. हाम्रो लागि त चल्छ यसमा चाहिँ. So I like the design because it's very much portable. And I've been taking, I've been watching a lot of pictures of this one, also reviews of this one as well. धेरै मात्रामा गरेको छु, हेरेको छु. So I love the box. It's pretty much good. Normally तपाईको ब्यागमा तपाई ट्राभल गर्दाखेरि तपाई कहीँ पनि जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ it's very much portable. अनि भित्र ब्याग पनि हुनुपर्छ किनकि त्यो अर्को एउटा पनि भयो, but just in case तपाईलाई ब्यागमा राखेर ह्यान्ड ग्राइन्डर चलाउन मन छैन अथवा कसैको लगेजमा चाहिँ राम्रोसित सेफ हुँदैन, they want to take the box. This is pretty much good, I think. सानै छ, धेरै स्पेस पनि खाने कामहरु गर्दैन. So let's start. Ta-da! So the first thing that I see right now, like I said, bag हुन्छ. Your bag say it's pretty nice. धेरै बाक्लो छ. You have got 2 pockets. एउटा यहाँ, यतापटि यहाँ छ. It's pretty nice. बाक्लो कपडाको छ यसमा चाहिँ. It smells good as well. त्यसपछि गएर we have got chestnut को manualहरु. Here we go. तपाईको बक्समै यो सबै चीजहरु यत्रो लामो manual पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. अनि त्यसपछि गएर it has mentioned most of the things. The parts actually. Look at this. Can you just see this one? Look at that shine. Look at that body. यो यसको डिजाइन चाहिँ तपाईको दुईटा तरिकाले दुईटा मोडलमा आउँछ. This one is pretty much different design, है. एल्युमिनियम को यो चाहिँ normally. अनि यसको मोस्ट अफ दी भित्रको डिजाइन्सहरु चाहिँ स्टेनलेस स्टिलबाट बनिएको छ. तपाईले म्याट कलरमा पनि पाउँछ. दिस इज वन अफ द कलर. यसरी गरी यु विल गेट अ व्हाइट कलरमा पनि, जुन चाहिँ म्याट कलरमा पनि, व्हाइट म्याट कलर चिप्लो हुने कामहरु गर्छ. बट आई लभ दिस वन. मलाई यो चाहिँ मन पर्यो यसमा चाहिँ. So this is the body. So it's got most of the parts, or say, I believe I've read it like aluminum, stainless steel plus aluminum ko. I like this one. You buy it a grip, you can hold it very nicely. Mazale grip गर्न सकिन्छ किनकि mat अथवा चिप्लो हुँदाखेरि के हुन्छ, you know, sometimes it's for me it's pretty much uncomfortable किनकि चिप्लिने उ गर्ने कामहरु गर्छम. I can get very good hold of, you know, the creep यसले गर्दाखेरि यसको different design ले गर्दाखेरि. You know, that's my thought actually. You have this handle as well. यो handle छ, यो handle पाउने कामहरु गरिन्छ. यो चाहिँ प्लास्टिक को रहेछ. This one माथिको यो प्लास्टिक को छ, यसको बिर्को पनि प्लास्टिक को छ. And this one is of stainless steel, and you can see यो भित्रको पार्ट्सहरु पनि, यो भित्रको पार्ट्स पनि I believe यो पनि प्लास्टिक को छ. Now you may ask me why this hand grinder is special. कारण किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ, you know, नेपालको मार्केटमा चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो खालको चाहिँ ह्यान्ड ग्राइन्डर्सहरु अलिकति पाइदैन. नम्बर 1. नम्बर 2, यदि तपाई डेली वाइज कफी ड्रिंकर हो, which is basically नेपालको पपुलेसन अनुसार एकदमै कमै मात्रामा मान्छेले डेली वाइज घरमा बसेर कफी खाने कामहरु गर्छ. सो यदि तपाई डेली वाइज घरमा कफी खानुहुन्छ भने you definitely might have electrical grinder as well, small, जुन चाहिँ हुन्छ नि easy to grind and pretty much quick as well. But I believe hand grinders is more about art, more about, you know, what you do, the way you do it, and you know, the way you love it, the process actually. यो चीज चाहिँ एकदमै बडी मात्रामा important role खेल्ने कामहरु गर्छ. I mean the hand grinder actually. Those people who love manual brewing coffee, for example V60 or let's say Chemex or maybe something else, they would love this kind of hand grinders. About international market ma you will get expensive hand grinders as well. तर हाम्रो मार्केटमा चाहिँ there are very least numbers of people who would be interested to invest a huge amount of money on a single hand grinder. So it's pretty much challenging for you know, for the people who wants to drink coffee किनकि हाम्रो मार्केटमा चाहिँ they already see 1200 मा 1500 मा पाउने hand grinders which is basically of plastic blade. But this kind of grinders is they might have a pretty much challenging stuff, but those people who already have the ideas on valuing the equipment, or they know what actually the equipment does, is to mention like, or as the barista, the experienced people are like, I think it would be pretty much good, and as to reasonable prices hand grinders paunu Nepal ko context ma, I think it's pretty nice, it's pretty awesome. Yo toloko part भयो जहाँ चाहिँ यो पनि I believe यो पनि aluminum को or let's say stainless steel को छ यो पनि है. I'm not pretty much sure. पहिला चाहिँ किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यही ग्राइन्डर्स चाहिँ फर्स्ट एडिसन तिर चाहिँ कतिपय पार्ट्सहरु चाहिँ तपाईको प्लास्टिकको हुने कामहरु गरिन्थ्यो. फर एक्जाम्पल यु क्यान सी द ब्लेड ओभर हियर. यो ब्लेड चाहिँ पहिला प्लास्टिकको थियो भन्ने कुराहरु आउँथ्यो. यो चाहिँ तपाईको क्लिनिङ ब्रश हो. Pretty clean. You better do this. I'm good with this one. So here's a cleaning brush. So this is what we have it. It's pretty nice. It's very soft actually. Now let's talk about kati grams of coffee you say isma artsa bhanera chai. Now the maximum coffee you can use is 25 gram whole beans. Use garna paunu huncha tapaile chai. And talking about the blade, like I mentioned, it has got burr blade. यसमा चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ you can see the coarser side and the finer side as well. यदि तपाईलाई espresso grind size चाहिन्छ भने 10 to 14 नम्बरमा क्लिकमा चाहिँ युज गर्नु होला for the espresso grind size. यदि तपाईलाई pour over चाहिन्छ भने 18 to 24 click. Let's talk about how to adjust the grind size र यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी चाहिँ click को बारेमा कुरा गर्ने कामहरु गर्छौं, because most of us they do not understand what actually click is. यसलाई चाहिँ 0 नम्बरमा ल्याउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate on this side. You can listen to that click. And then when it locks, जब यो लक हुने कामहरु गर्छ, अघि मैले देखाएको थिएँ it won't move. This is the point of time where तपाईको ग्राइन्डर चाहिँ 0 नम्बरमा छ. अब यहाँबाट अघि नै यो ठाउँमा मेन्सन गरे जस्तै नर्मली तपाईको pour over को लागि चाहिँ you can go from 18 to 24 click. And for the espresso तपाईको 10 देखि 14 सम्मको क्लिक गर्नु. सो हामी के गर्छौं, यो फाइनल ग्राइन्ड साइज बाट चाहिँ हामी slowly क्लिक गर्दै we can go to maybe let's go to 18 actually. So हामी यहाँबाट कोर्स साइडमा जाने कामहरु गर्छौं. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now the 12 is basically 10 देखि 14 को ग्राइन्ड साइज, which is basically espresso grind size. Now we can go with the pour over grind size. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we are on 18 to say exactly pour over grind size start from 18 to 24. Tabako click punch हामीले त्यो click मा चाहिँ 19, 20, 21, 22. Now I like 22, so I would love to go on 22. Perhaps 17, 18 may खेलाउँदा धेरै राम्रो हुन्छ, but again it depends upon the roasting profile, it depends upon the coffee. There are a lot of various aspects that really matters when we talk about the grind size ko barema. But you know, you can definitely play with your profile, you can definitely play with your grind size. Now the question is, so why do I need the hand grinders? Can I just buy grounded coffee cafe burger or from the supermarket? Now I've always been explaining about these things. Why do you need to grind your coffee by yourself? किन भन्दाखेरि त्यो कफीको फ्रेशनेसहरु एकदमै मेन्टेन गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ एन्ड आफैले ग्राउन्ड गरेको कफी तपाईले ब्रु गर्दाखेरि त्यसको फ्रेशनेस र अलरेडी सुपरमार्केटमा अथवा तपाईको रोस्टरीबाट ग्राइन्ड गरेर आएको कफीहरुमा धेरै मात्रामा टेस्ट प्रोफाइलहरु फरक पर्छ बट इफ यु लिटरली वान्ट टु इन्जॉय द डेलिशियस कफी और प्रपर एम्बियन्स और अरोमा त्यो कफीको फ्लेभर्सहरु प्रपरली इन्जॉय गर्नु चाहनुहुन्छ भने I would definitely suggest the hand grinders. Also, I want to add to that, these hand grinders are not so expensive and it's pretty much easy to use. You normally buy it online, most probably $85 to maybe $90 a month you might get it. Nepal you might get it on 10,000 to maybe 13-14,000. I'm not sure kinaki yaha aundakheri katipai tax pay garnu parne huncha. There are other things that really raise the price of the grinders, but at the end of the day you will definitely enjoy having these kind of hand grinders in your home or maybe in your cafe or maybe in your outdoor, wherever you are. You want to go for travel, you want to go for trekking, definitely would love it. Also, if you're someone who has been already using this hand grinder, please do let me know what you think of this hand grinder. You love it, you hate it, you do not like it, is it very cheap, or whatever it is you experience, please do drop that on our comment section down below, or you can always inbox us on our Facebook or Instagram page. Follow us if you haven't followed us yet. We are as Baristas Coffee School. If you have Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever you guys use it, please do follow us. We'd love to hear from you. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button if you love this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't gone back with China. Till then, I'm going to see you next time with the next post, guys. I'm definitely going to come back. Till then, again, till then, am I saying till then too much? No worries. Till then, I'm going to brew some good coffee as a hand grinder. It's going to be take care. Bye-bye. I'm going to see you. Bye. यो त ठ्याक्कै हाम्रो बजेहरुले हाम्रो हजुरआमा मेरो हजुरआमाले त्यो टक्क थैली निकालेर यस्तो 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 टक्क थैली निकालेर सर्लक्क गएर का ना त्यो भन्नु भन्छ नि ओ त्यस्तो खालको रहेछ यसै बा अन अ बिगर भर्जन हाम्रो सानो सानो हुन्छ यो चाहिँ अलि ठुलो ठुलो पनि कामहरु गरिन्छ यसमा त मेरो हात पनि हुन्छ. How do you want to take this? I like with the box. Alright, let's brew some coffee. I'm done. I'm taking this one.